how to set the lock screen password into alphanumeric password in your Tecno Spark Go 1S. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, okay, go to password and security. Okay, tap this. In password and security, in password and biometric section, you can see here the lock screen password. And the lock screen password is set into slide to unlock. So to set this into alphanumeric password, okay, you'll have to do is tap this, and you can see the alphanumeric password here. So you can tap the alphanumeric password here, and now you can set the alphanumeric password. So okay, you can enter 4 to 16 digit letter. So for my example, Chad, and after you enter the alphanumeric password, tap the next button, and now you re-enter the password. And after that, tap the confirm button. And also you can set the lock screen notification. So I decide to set into show notification but hide content. And after that, tap the done button below to save this lock screen password into alphanumeric password. And that's it. Okay, we can try it. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.